Let's get started. ये है Ubiquiti UCG Ultra. At the front you will see a 0.96 inch LCM screen and the Cloud Gateway Ultra name scheme. So in this screen आप देख सकते हैं memory and CPU status, client activity, and on the back आपको मिल जाता है 5 Ethernet port. Out of that 4 port are Ethernet 1 gig and 1 WAN port which is 2.5 gig port, and all these 3 port are remappable, so you can set up the port as a WAN also. Here इधर आपको एक reset button दिख जाती है, and you can power this UCG Ultra with the Type-C cable which is provided inside the box. To get started with the UCG Ultra, आपको ये UCG Ultra को power करना है with the Type-C cable provided inside the box, and you have to connect the WAN port and the LAN port. Also best part, इसमें आपको 2.5 GB का WAN पोर्ट मिलता है और बाकी LAN पोर्ट सारे 1 GB हैं. तो अभी हम इसको पावर ऑन करेंगे and then I will reset it because I've already set up, so I will factory reset it and then I will connect it to the network and show you the adoption steps. So मैंने UCG Ultra को power on कर दिया है. As you can see, the Type-C power cable provided inside the box and is already connected. It says plug-in cable Ethernet disconnected. So I will just go ahead and first reset it factory default. So on the back side you will see the ports and the reset button on the far left. So you have to just press it for around 10 seconds. So as you can see, I press it for 10 seconds. Now it's saying reset to factory default. So it is resetting now. It will get restarted, and after it get booted, I will connect the WAN and LAN cable and show you the setups, the easy adoption steps. So as you can see, I have connected the WAN cable and it says ready for setup. I'm not sure you can see. I will focus it. So it says ready for setup down, and I've connected the cable coming from my network to the WAN port of the UCG Ultra. So it will be adopted either using your UniFi Network mobile app through iPhone, or you can use the desktop. So it's your option. If you want to choose to adopt using UniFi Network app, that will be the easy because this comes with the Bluetooth inbuilt, so it can discover on the UniFi Network app and you can adopt it. So we'll choose to adopt using screen on the desktop. I will show you in a moment. तो जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, मैंने UCG Ultra की गेटवे IP को एक्सेस किया है ब्राउज़र पे 192.168.1.1. यूनिफाई के जितने भी गेटवे से सबकी डिफ़ॉल्ट IP 1.1 है. LAN IP आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं सेटअप के पास. तो अभी आप द कनेक्शन इज़ नॉट प्राइवेट की स्क्रीन देख सकते हैं. क्लिक ऑन शो डिटेल्स एंड विजिट द वेबसाइट. So once you visit the website, you will see this logo, the UCG Ultra, and now you can set up the UniFi Cloud Gateway Ultra setup. If you have a previous backup, the UCG Ultra you are running, you can restore from backup. Here you can give the name as UCG Ultra. So if you guys are looking for UCG Ultra in India, you can check out the FG Tech stores. They have stocks available.